Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rajeshri Senapati and today I am going to tell you what can be the correct age for the pregnancy. In my consulting, many young people come and take advice and they keep on asking me what will be the ideal age for the pregnancy. Because everybody is now busy in their career, so they are not willing to conceive as early as in their early 20s or early 30s. And according to books, it should be around 18 to 23 years is the ideal time for the pregnancy. But nowadays, because everyone is busy in their career, earning money, their jobs, they want to have the child little later. So they prefer the pregnancy after age of 30, 35. But I like to tell you that if you become pregnant before 25 years of age, it is very good for the couple, and you should complete the family at least by 30 years of age. I'll just tell you what are the advantage if you become pregnant at the right age. See, mother is fit and can take better care of the child. Other thing is that uh, you are young, so there are less chance of infertility. And other thing is that your joints are flexible, so it's very easy for the normal delivery. And there are less chance of IVF and test tube baby, so there are less expenses. So there are less chance of medical complications like hypertension, diabetes mellitus. So the pregnancy is more safe, and there are less chance of genetic and chromosomal anomalies like Down syndrome. So early pregnancy is much better than late pregnancy. And even if pregnancy is late, so quality and quantity of ova or egg is reduced. So there is more chance of infertility. There is increased risk of abortion and preterm deliveries. There is also risk of genetic and chromosomal abnormalities. More risk of ectopic pregnancy, and as I told you that if you have late pregnancy, there can be risk of hypertension, diabetes, and go on. What I like to tell you, what happens if pregnancy is late? Due to stress, risk of early menopause due to the premature ovarian failure is nowadays quite common. Then flexibility of the joints as the age increases are reduced, and so there is a risk of cesarean section, forceps delivery, vacuum delivery. Then stamina is so less after the age increases, so it's very difficult to take care of the child. Then there is risk of IVF or test tube baby, so more expenses are there. So, and this we talked about the male female partners. No, so now we'll talk about the male partner. As the age increases of the male partner, the quality and quantity and motility of the sperm decreases because they are exposed to the pollution. Their lifestyle is nowadays different. Late night they are awake. They are busy in their mobiles, smoking, social drinking like alcohol, parties. So the quality, quantity and motility of sperms are less. So it's very good if you keep the pregnancy early. What if you really want to postpone the pregnancy? Then you should take little precautions. You consult your doctor first. Then the woman should do the AMH test, that is anti-Mullerian hormone test. So that will tell you how much is the ovarian reserve in that woman. She should get her routine sonography. Then man should do his semen analysis. And if any problem, then options are there. Nowadays so many IVF centers are there, so you can have sperm freezing, egg freezing or embryo freezing. So if you really want to keep the pregnancy late, you should keep all the options open. And if you become pregnant in the late age, so during pregnancy do anomaly scans, quadruple marker, so there will be less chance of the anomaly in the child. Then basically and very important thing is that you keep the body physically and mentally very healthy, so less complications. And finally, I'll tell you, the pregnancy should be by choice and not by chance. So let couple be mentally, physically and financially prepared for the baby. Thank you very much. If you like my presentation, please like and share. Thank you very much.